Hello and welcome to another video. I'm Maz and today I'm doing another video on the F-Type. And in today's video I'll be showing you how to swap your wipers on your Jaguar F-Type. So in order to swap your wipers, you will actually need a knife or a flathead screwdriver and something soft to cushion the hook. And here is the replacement. I'm using a genuine Jaguar Land Rover product. Here is the code. And whilst you can get Bosch wipers from your local Halfords, I've had troubles trying to get it into the hook, since the design of these wipers, even if you put them into surface mode, do not extend 90 degrees. So firstly you need to get your knife in here and then lift that up like so, and then you push this back and out it comes. And of course here is the culprit. My passenger one is fine for the moment. Also, the design of these means you get this line here for aerodynamics, and this is made for a right-hand drive car. But if you get a left-hand drive car, the vane will be here, because if you put them the wrong way round, let's say like this, lots of wind resistance will occur on this line here. So when ordering new wipers, make sure they are the correct way round. And now let's unpack this. And there we go, here's what the new one looks like, exactly like the old one. And to put it back on, you simply reverse the procedure. So once again, open like this, out it comes, swap hands because I'm doing it the wrong way round, in it goes, try again, in it goes, and then pull back, clip, and there you go, you've got a new wiper. And I can now take off the protective cloth and let's give it a test. Look at that. No more smears. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching me show you how to put a new wiper on a Jaguar F-Type. Like the video if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you are new, ring the bell to step speed, and I'll see you guys next time. Cheers.